Hello guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today I will be building a Ford Raptor. Okay, so we're gonna go buy the truck real quick and get it. Trucks. Wow. It's gonna be a little laggy because I'm uploading a video and I'm recording and playing a game at the same time. So this is the truck we will be using. Ford Raptor. It kinda looks retarded right now because the wheels are keep going in. But we'll fix that here in a minute. Okay. Oh my god, this game is so slow at loading. I'm doing other stuff. Right, there we go. Okay, so customizations. Body. Front bumper is going to be... I'm gonna go with... I think I'm gonna go ahead and go with this one. It's not too bad. Yeah, I'm gonna go with this one. Fenders. It's cat. Okay, I'm gonna go with those. Rear bumper. That one. And... cage. I think I'm gonna go with that. Maybe. Okay. Running boards. I don't want running boards. Roof lights. I want a light bar. Snorkel. Why not? Spare wheel. Put it in the bed. Horns. We don't need. Don't need. I'm gonna go with it. I like it. Yeah, I'm gonna go with it. Winch. We'll need a jack. Yes, we do need a jack. No. Exhaust pipes. We don't need exhaust pipes. White lights. Okay, sorry about that, guys. I was talking to someone about something. Okay. Gun rack. Don't need. Because, yeah. Repair rack, yes. Okay, we're all good. Okay, paint. Okay, go. Oof. Thank you. Red. Okay, so red paint. Realms are going to be these. Going with those. White. No. Red. And red. Fronts. Red. And red. Just so it matches. Tires. I'm gonna leave them stock. Okay, and apply mods 31,000. I'm gonna use my gold. Okay, and then now I'm gonna upgrade it. Upgrades. Yay. Okay, finally, that video is uploaded. Any day, if my game would like to load. Be nice, wouldn't it? So I'm gonna click on upgrades. Okay, yeah, perfect. Upgrade it with money. Upgrade, grab, weight, and durability. And turbo. I'm gonna have to get more gold to do this video. 5 minutes. 5 minutes and 4 seconds. Wait. Tuning.
Where's Dad?
Go away. Now.
Where's Dad?
Go away. Wait, tuning. Sorry about that, guys. Y'all probably can't hear me because I'm not using headphones, but whatever. Okay. I'm sorry, I'm doing something with another phone. I don't know what suspension to do. Install. Wait, so. Okay. Hang on. I gotta figure out this. This might take a minute, so bear with me. Here. Okay, so. Okay, so with work phone, thank you. It's gonna be a 5. It's a 6. 5 rear. 5 front. Front damping, sorry. It's gonna be 15. That's too much. Fair enough. Okay, so now. Okay, rear. Same thing, 15. Mm. 1510, that's actually closer. Rear steering. Skip. Okay, so shocks. Ones. Ooh, I like those kind of. 2s. I think I'm gonna go with the 2s. Yeah, I'm gonna go with the 2. Shocks. Work. Thank you. Shock size, front, shock size. Okay. Shock size is going to be 1.2. Wow, that's very small. I'm gonna do 1.4. And rear, shock size, 1.4. Right front, stiffness. Okay, so this is the trophy. Oh, it already looks so good. Wow, I really like this truck now. Hang on, guys, my TV unpaused. Stupid TV's on, right? Okay, so shock size. Done. Stiffness. I don't really know what the stiffness is because I want to make a flex truck kind of. Okay, stiffness. Travel. Okay. hang on, guys. I gotta figure this out, and once I figure it out, I'll come back. Okay, guys, I figured it out. So it's going to be in the rear. It's going to be 30. Okay, so 0.37, guys. If I can get it there. Oh my gosh, hang on. Bear with me. Perfect. There we go. Looks good. Okay, so that's it. That's stiffness. Hang on. Wait. It's gonna be a 38. Never mind. 38. Stiffness, sorry. Okay, I'm sorry guys, but I am watching a YouTube video to build this truck so I can get the tuning perfect. So, leave me alone, please. I'm just gonna pause the video for a minute. Wait, I got it. 31. I'm making a YouTube video. Oops. Okay. At 1302, I don't think I can be able to get that. That's the closest I'm gonna get. And my travel's gonna be 45 now. And 45. Okay, so travel. Okay, that's good. Wheels and tires. Upgrade on both. Fronts are going to be width of 1.2. Oh, no. Not what I wanted. No, hang on. One second, guys. I'm trying to pay attention to this. Okay, so width. Okay, so the width in the front is going to be a 1.2. See? Perfect. Look at that stance, though. Okay, rear width 1.2, not 3. Jesus. Okay, so there's that. Width 1.2. Okay, there. There's that. Perfect. And dyno it. I'm not really gonna do much to it. And that is it. Now we will go drive it around a little bit. I'll probably go to the desert. I don't know. Either the desert or woodlands. One of the two. It looks so good. Okay. And I might do an updated, like, Off-Road Outlaws update video for y'all. So, yeah. Let me go ahead and just go for your own desert and shut the truck off. It might get a little laggy, so bear with me. Okay. It's gonna be loud. Of course. Okay. Okay. As soon as it loads, I will be back. Alright, so I loaded in the game. I don't know how loud this is gonna be, so bear with me. Oh, your truck just jumps. So who's joining or switching trailers? Let's go find someone to We'll go over here to this guy on dirt bike. Hello. We're gonna go up here on the rocks. Throw it in diff. Oh, follow this truck now. Oh, hello, dirt bike. It's very laggy. I should have went with single player. I don't care. Oh my god, lag. I can't stand lag in this game. It gets on my nerves, especially when I'm trying to record. Oh, hello. Another Ford Raptor. Hello, my Raptor gang. Or, my Raptor friend. Oops. He's got 2 Fords. Yeah, he's got 2 Fords. He has a Ford Raptor and a Ford OBS. I'm murdered out OBS as well, and I'm lagging, so just give me a minute. There's a lot of people in here, so I'll